Hello guys, Zilo from the Zilo Tech channel. I did promise a video on TrebEdit, so for the phone users. Um, just a piece of advice: you can't build full stack applications with your phone, but you can definitely do basics with it. So that's what we're doing right now. We're doing the basics. So this is my previous work. I am just going to click it. I clicked here, by the way. Perfect. So I'm just going to click that. Now you can see the work I was working on before. Let me just delete that so you guys do not get confused. Yeah, perfect. Then for the title, I think you understand why the title is there. Because in the video posted for the people using laptops, we were adding a background image and an image in the middle of the web page. Perfect. So now we have a title named adding background image. For your H1 tag, you can put I don't know, Zilo Tech adding images to the website. But of course your sentence might be different from mine. Now, just to quickly see what we have done, I save, then I click run. Then there we can see Zilo Tech adding images to the website. Perfect. Now we need to add the actual image. How do we do that? We need to go to Google and download images. So I'm a big football fan, not too large, but I am a fan. My favorite teams are Chelsea and Real Madrid, so you can download any picture. I am just downloading Chelsea's one, so I'm gonna click Chelsea, then I'm going to long press, and I'm gonna click download image. Okay, the picture has been downloaded. So if I go to my gallery, I should see it there. Perfect, I do see it there. So now I just realized that the name of the picture is very long. You see, 240640 px dash Chelsea. No, that is a bit too long. So I'm going to click edit. Then here I am going to change the name if I can. Okay, I can. I'm just gonna name it maybe Chelsea. Small letters. But if you do not know how to rename your image, just leave it as it is. Then I click save. My image name has changed to Chelsea. Perfect. Now, with the previous video, I showed you guys how to create a folder. So that folder was created here in your my files. So in my files, I am going to click internal storage. Then I am going to go to TrebEdit. Then now we can see that there's a website that already exists here. Now for the sake of this video, for those that might be lost, we might resave. So to do that, you're gonna click the three dots there. I click that. Then do you see save as? I'm gonna click save as. Now, not a workspace. So here we just need to check where we're going to save it. So I'm gonna click workspace. Then I'm gonna go to device file picker. It already takes me to my thing, but for the sake of this video, let's not do that. But there, this is the folder that was created. So I am going to click it. Now I am going to say use this folder. Then I'm going to click allow. Perfect. Now we're working in that folder. This is very important because if you are adding a picture, they need to be in the exact same folder. So my file name is going to be pictures, or just say website.html. That is the file name. .html is very important. It lets the browser know that this is an HTML file. Then I'm going to click save. Perfect. The first step is done. Now the second step is to actually put, so if we go back here, we look for our folder that was created. Now we can see the website we have just created. Perfect. Now we need to put the picture here. The picture should be under my downloads. I hope it's here. Let's see. I'm not gonna look through all of that, so I'm just going to go to images. There's the picture right there, Chelsea. So I am going to copy. So I'm gonna long press, then I'm gonna click copy. Then I go back, I go internal storage, I look for TrebEdit. Then you see copy here. Then I click it. Perfect. Now the picture has been added to my folder with my website. So now we can easily access it. So I'm going to go back to TrebEdit. Now I did say we're going to change the background picture and also add a picture to the middle of the page. So at the end I'm going to hit enter. Now I'm going to type img. There's a shortcut down here. That is what I clicked. I just used the shortcut. So img src. Src stands for source and L stands for alternative text, but that can be left out. But the src is very important. So I am going to click, well, I'm not going to click, I'm going to type the name of my picture. The name of my picture was Chelsea. .png. Very important. How do I know this? If I go back, you can see .png at the end there. That is very important. So what am I going to do now? I am going to click save. After I've clicked save, I am going to run it. There, the Chelsea logo appears on my page, but not on the center. We're going to change that. So now we need to do the other step. The other step is adding a background picture. Since I don't have much time and I don't want to make this video too long, I am going to use the same picture for my background. So I'm going to type background equals to, oh, I could just use the shortcut here. Then I say equals to quotation marks. What's the name? Chelsea dot what? PNG. Perfect. And I'm gonna click save. Then I'm gonna click run. Yeah, it's it's duplicating so many times, but that's fine as long as it's actually working. Now we need to center this. We need to center everything. So we're gonna center from the H1 to the IMG. So what I do is I go here and I hit enter. Then I'm gonna use the center tag. So center. We don't want that there. We want it at the end here. So we open center and we close center. Yeah. See, open center and we close center. Center is open there. and it is closed here. So now let us save and run. I don't know if you can see, but the background is very disturbing. But you can see Zillow tech images to the website, or adding images to the website, is in the center, and the logo, this logo, is also in the center. That is all we did in Visual Studio Code. This is for the phone users. Thank you very much. Catch you in the next video.